Thursday, but Sunday, West Coast Swing Dancers. So if I normally say Thursday, you normally see Miss Stephanie, but in this case, she's helping me on my twice a month Sunday West Coast Swing class with the Herndon Social Dancers. So, what Miss Stephanie and I are going to show you is what we taught. This first part of this West Coast Swing move is a whip. Basic whip, nothing different to it. We're just going to show it to you because you need to know at least how to do that to make the fancy move work. 8 counts, pivot turn on 5-6, put her back where she started on the track. Very basic. We put that into the class as well. But, fancy move. Starts out for the first 4 counts for her as normal, and also for the leaders. So on a sugar push, we're just going to do that first 4 counts. Pull her in 1, 2, and she does her coaster, guys. Get back on the track, make sure you get in front of her on your left foot on 4, her right foot. This is go front to back. Please hit a like after you see this. She really loves likes. She doesn't like thumbs down, she gets mad. Sugar push, 2, 3, 4. Off the track, pick her up. Wait on her right, my left. Okay, then from here it does change. After 4. So we're going to get to 4 again, and then show you the next 2 steps because that's crucial for the next part. So after 4, 3, 4, we're going to take her right hand, put it in the middle of her back on 5, and switch it into your right hand, okay? That first step is crucial because 6 is actually a little bit harder, but look when I add just the 5th count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now I'm behind her, beside her, and I'm staying close to her. But for 6, she's going to continue turning to the right, and I'm going to stay close to her for 6. Now I'm going to put my left hand on her left hip, and keeping my right hand with her right hand close to the middle of her back. Let me show you from a different view on that so you can see what I mean. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So I keep my right hand low, connected to her, and also keep my right hand. I keep these hands near each other because what I need to do for the next part. So going from this view, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Here's 6. I'm on my left, Steph's on the right. But for 7, I'm going to take a right hand, go over my head, 7. And I do a clockwise rotation to my right and put her arm over my head. So the next counts are a bunch of walks. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I can let go of that arm. Okay, now this is obviously something, if you've never done it with your partner, show it to her. Maybe she won't see it at first, but if you show it to her once, she gets it. She still doesn't, but she normally does. Sugar push, we're going to go to 7, and then get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to series of walks. 8, 9, 10, let her go. Triple step. You can continue walking if you wish. Just don't do a lot of counts. So all we're doing is, guys, clockwise motion, your left arm around her back. Just walk her around. Okay, it works well with the good music, good cadence and song. 3 and 4 behind. 5, 6, walk. 7, 8, 9, let her go. Triple step. Front to back. Sugar push. Guys, get off the track. Then when you do the 7, you get on the track, and then just walk her around, and you let her go. All right, this direction, and then we're going to be finished. So on a sugar push, off the track, switch hands on the 5th, 5, 6, over the head, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, one more time, I lied. This direction, because you didn't see it that direction. Sugar push. It's called the Texas timing. I don't know why. 3 and 4, 5, 6, over 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. It's a cool move. It just takes some time to practice, but it is a very nice sequence once you master it. Thank you, Miss Stephanie. Thank you, guys. Remember, if you haven't done so yet, please click subscribe to my channel. It's free. We'll have a new video for you next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, every week. That's what we do. But until next time, have a great week. And as always,